Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we build powerful websites all without touching a single line of code. So I recently came across an AI tool that completely blew my mind. It helps you work faster, smarter, and saves you hours of stress. I asked this AI to create a complete website for my business. And with just 3 simple lines of text, it built something stunning, a full site with a menu, customer reviews. The final result looked like something a professional web designer would easily charge hundreds of dollars for, and the best part, it was absolutely free. Yep, you heard that right, 100% free. The homepage was clean, the colors perfectly matched my brand, and the layout felt smooth and modern. If I had to build that from scratch, it would have taken me hours, maybe even days. Here's how it worked. I simply typed a short prompt, create a website for my business. I run a Nigerian restaurant that sells traditional Nigerian delicacies. Include an eye-catching menu and customer reviews. That's it. The AI then asked me a few quick questions, like the name of my restaurant and what kind of dishes I serve. Once I answered, it generated the entire website in one click. A fully functional site with a menu section, customer testimonials, and it all happened in under 5 minutes thanks to WeGIC AI. That's what makes this tool a total game changer. AI is no longer just for writing content or generating images, it's now building real, working websites that can represent your brand and attract customers instantly. If you run a small business, whether it's a restaurant, fashion brand, salon, or any kind of service, this tool can save you so much time and money. You don't need to learn coding or design. Just describe your business, click a button, and let the AI handle the rest. It's that simple. You might be surprised how professional your business can look in just a few minutes. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to show some love, hit that like button and subscribe, because I share tips, tricks, and zero-code tools to help you build smarter.